Hi guys, so I wanted to make another video about another one of those math menu tasks that some people are having trouble with. And that's this task right here. It says using a deck of cards, create 6 4-digit numbers that go to the thousandths place. Write the numbers using number name form. So number name form is the same as word form. I know you've never seen that phrase before, but just know it's word form, and I'll kind of walk you through this task. So I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to grab my deck of cards. Now, when you do any of these tasks, what you want to do is ignore any face cards. So those would be like face cards, and ignore tens. So you only want cards that have like single digits. So we need to create 6 4-digit numbers. So I'm just gonna start making 4-digit numbers like this. Okay, so my first one looks like this. And it needs to go out to the thousandths place. So if we think of our place value chart, we can put our decimal point here. These are my ones, my tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. So here I would just plug these digits in. This would be 3 and 224 thousandths. Okay, so now with that number, I'm going to set these cards aside, and I want to write it in word form. That's what they mean by number name form. So for the first number, I'm going to say this is, oops, here I am trying to write with digits already. We want to write words. 3 and 224 thousandths. I'll show you another example. So now we have, oh, there's a face card. I want to toss it away. Okay. So now I have 9 and 976 thousandths. Okay, moving away from my place value chart, I already know that for this number, if it's going to have 4 digits and go to the thousandths, that my first digit is going to be my ones, then my tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So you don't have to keep drawing that place value chart if you don't want to. But what I do need to do is write it in word form now. So this is 9 and, remember that word and shows us where the decimal point is. 9 and 976 thousandths. And don't forget the THS ending for anything that's in the decimals. Okay, so I'm going to show you one more example. I think that task wants you to show this 6 different times. So there's 1 time, 2 times. I'm going to just show you 3 examples because that'll get you started. And there's my 10. I want to ignore that. Go to the next single digit number. So here I have 6 and 596 thousandths. So 6 and 596 thousandths. All right, so that's pretty much all you would have to do with that task. Obviously, again, if you don't have a deck of cards, just pick random numbers. Like for my 4th example, I'll show you, I'm just going to write down totally random numbers. Okay, 1.938. All right, that's 1 and 938 thousandths. Oops, thousandths. So even if you don't have a deck of cards, you can still complete that task by just writing out random numbers and then reading them based on your place value understanding. and writing it down. Remember, when you hit the decimal point, that's the word and. So 1 and, then you grab this whole number and kind of write it out the way you would if there was no decimal point there, 938, and then name that last place value, thousandths. All right, guys, hope that helps. I'll probably be posting some more videos like this to kind of walk you through some of the math menu tasks. Hope they're helpful to you, and have fun. Bye.